Hey, good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining in. So, trading, right? Whether you trade stocks, options, futures, whatever you trade, if we do with a proper strategy, there is a lot of money to be we can make in the market. But if you don't know what you are doing, if you trade with emotions or you trade with FOMO, then we can also lose money. So basically, we are making 85 to 90% success with our trades using we built some indicators, tested them last 2 to 3 years. Now we have around 500 members who are using the indicators. Many of them are learning. Some of them are making a six-figure income per month. So I want to demonstrate these indicators which we are using, and then we'll take some live trades. So you can see like how powerful if we use a strategy, how we can make nice profits every day if we go with a systematic trading approach instead of just trading with some emotion or some alert or something. But when you understand what you are doing, your success will be much higher. So here we are mainly using three or four indicators. One of them is called price pulse, which will tell us where the big companies are buying and selling. So if the big companies like JP Morgan, Chase, or BlackRock, or Morgan Stanley, if they are selling, then there might be a reason for them to sell, or if they are buying, there might be a reason for them to buy. So they make 90-95% of the time they make money in the market. So if we can follow them, we can also be successful. So this price pulse is built on that market maker model. What they are doing, we basically copy them, right? If you know somebody is number one in the class, you try to get his notes and you try to follow him in the same way. Because they make a lot of money in the market, we are trying to follow the market makers. And then we have another indicator which is T5, which shows like where we have overbought or oversold. So for example, this KO after earnings it moved so much. So we already made nice profits with the debit spreads. We got debit spreads yesterday. Today it made 60-70% profit. We took the profits. Now it is in overbought. It started dropping. So this is a nice opportunity for us to either buy the puts or buy the bear call spreads. So this basically, if it is at the bottom, that means it is oversold. If it is at the top, that means it is overbought. So this indicator will also help us to know where the reversals can happen. And then we have another RC reversal indicator. If, for example, let me hide these ones. So you have mainly, so this is like a band. So if it drops below this band, it can come all the way to the bottom band. So if you see some examples, so maybe I'll make this mid one a little darker. So this is your top band, this is your middle band, this is your lower band. So if price is coming all the way to the bottom band, that means there is a high possibility for it to reverse back. So when some stock or when some futures instrument came all the way to the bottom, and then let us say you also see that there are some buyers here, or it came to the discount zone, then that is a good time for you to go long. When the other buyers are buying, for example, if this HC comes somewhere to 52.8, then there is a high possibility for it to go up again because it already went down so much and there are big companies waiting to buy it. So this is another indicator which we use as a confluence. So when we use this RC reversal, price pulse, T55, T5, our success can be 85 to 90% when we trade stocks, options, futures. So one more good thing is you can trade futures or some of these things without using your own money. You can trade in prop firms. When you trade in prop firm, you don't need to risk your own money. You can Use those prop firms. They will fund you for the trading. If you make profits, first to 15,000, 20,000, they will give 100% of the profits to you. After that, they give you 90% or 80%. They keep 10% to 20%. So that is another great advantage we have in trading, where you don't need to risk your own money. So now, right, I hope everyone is clear with one is price pulse, which is like our market maker model, where the market makers are buying and selling. T5 is where we can see where it is overbought, oversold. P55 shows like, okay, is it a bullish trend or bearish trend? If it is blue, that means if you get a strong buy and blue, that is bullish. Or if you get a strong sell and the orange color, that means bearish. So that will give us strong buy, strong sell. By looking at the other confluence, we can go long or go short. So like this, we'll be using these four indicators, T5, T55, price pulse, reversal, and we'll take trades today, right? And we can set the notifications. We can set notifications to know when some, for example, price is breaking below the band or price is breaking above the band, or whenever the trend starts reversing to the bottom side. Like that, we can set alerts. Whenever we receive an alert on a ticker, we can go and see, okay, is it looking good? Can we enter or not? Like that. So let's see, in some time it can start moving. It came all the way down, did a double bottom. There's a high possibility for it to move, but let's look at some other tickers. So sharp came all the way to the bottom, right? From the top, it went nearly till $126. We took a bear call spread yesterday and we made nice profits this morning, right? Because we know that it was already somewhere at the top. There were nearly 2 million sell orders. Big companies were trying to sell it off. So we did a bear call. That means we did 137, 138 or 139. That means as long as shop stays below 137, all the profits are yours. So yesterday we did that. It dropped so much. We made nearly 60-70% profit with the shop bear call spreads. Now it came all the way to the bottom. And then you can see there are some big buyers here. So what we can do is we can do we'll wait for a double bottom. If it comes one more time, then again if it can go up, then we can do bull put spreads on shop. Because as of now, here it looks good, but here we still have the red candles. That means still it is bearish. Still it is bearish. So it is better we wait for some more time. So all we need is don't just look at one, always look at two or three. If here it says bullish, here we have blue color, here we have green color, then that is a good time to go for calls or go for bull put spreads like that, or you can buy the stocks. As of now, only here we can see that big companies are buying, but here it is still bearish. Here it is still bearish. So Baba is partnering up with Apple. So it moved so much today. You can see trend is completely bullish. Momentum is very good. There is a high possibility for Baba to touch somewhere here. It already made a big move. So what we can do is we can do 111, 113 bull put spread. If you know what is bull put spread, basically it is like a low risk strategy where 90% of the time you can make money in the market. So we can do 112 and 110. So I am selling 112 puts and buying 110 puts for Baba for this Friday. I'll also post I'll also post the alert, and I'm collecting around $70. So, sell Baba 112 put and buy 110 put for Feb 14th and collect $70. That means if Baba stays above 112, all that money will be yours. If even if it stays choppy, you will make money. If it goes up, you will make money. If it goes little bit down, also you'll make money. So credit spreads is a low risk strategy. You always collect the money. You are more of a seller, and then if the stock moves up, you can make money. Or even if it stays choppy, you can make money. Right? If you buy the calls and if it stays choppy, you lose the money. But if you do the bull put spreads and if it moves up, or if it stays choppy, or if it goes little bit down, there are a lot of buyers here. So there is a high possibility for price to go up. So this is where you have sellers. So there is a high possibility price may either today, tomorrow, it may go all the way to $118. KO also 66, 68 bear call and collect around $1. Sell KO 66 call and buy 68 call for Feb 14th. Right, KO went all the way to the top after earnings. Then we got a strong sell. Here sellers are in control. Here everything is orange. Here everything is red. So there is a high possibility for it to drop minimum till here. If it breaks this, it can come much. It can come all the way to $65. So we did a bear call spread. That means as long as it stays below 66, all the money is yours. If it stays below or if it goes little bit down, we can buy it back and make profits. So you see there are a lot of sellers here. So if you see each one, here sellers took the control. It went to overbought, sellers took the control. There is a nice gap between these two. It can come all the way down. In the same way here, you can see all it is all bearish. All the candles are orange. That means it is bearish. We got a strong sell. Then price went all the way to the top of the band, right? This is if you see this color, that means this is the high. This is like the resistance. So, you see here, right? This is your bottom band. This is your mid band. This is your top band. So it went all the way to the top band, then started reversing. So there is a possibility for it to minimum come till the midpoint. So again, instead of doing puts, we are doing a low risk strategy. So even if it stays choppy, also we'll make money. If it drops, you will make money. If it stays choppy, you'll make money. Or even if it goes little bit up, you'll make money. If it goes so much up, you will lose. But because it is already overbought, it is already at the top of the band. So the chances for it to go so much high is very, very minimal. Either it will stay choppy, or it will go down, or it will go little bit up. In all the three ways, you will make money. So NKD, right? NKD is like Nikkei, like our NQ, Nasdaq of US. Just like in US we have Nasdaq. This is for Japan. So it is also a very volatile instrument. It went all the way to the top of the band. It is at a premium zone. But as of now, still here buyers are in control. Here also buyers are in control. There are very few number of sell orders here. If there are huge number of sell orders, we'd have went and shorted this. But as of now, this is bullish. This is bullish. Even though it went above the band, better we wait because there is no confluence between all the three. If you have a proper confluence, then we can confidently go and take the trade. So now let us see Melly, right? We got a notification that Melly broke the band. That means it went all the way above. So here we can see bearish, but here still it is bullish. So it is better we wait. And also the premiums will be expensive for Melly. So Tulio came all the way to the bottom, but here we have a lot of buyers. So if price comes here, then we can confidently go and buy the calls. As of now, here it is still bearish, here it is still bearish, but here you have a lot of buyers. Whenever it comes here, it will immediately start moving. So if it comes here and if we do a bull put spread here, 95% you will make nice profits. So I can always put a alert here. I can say, okay, add alert on till you. Whenever price comes here, I'll receive an alert. Then I can go and I can do a bull put or I can do calls or I can buy the stock. So if we use a systematic approach, yeah, there is a lot of money we can make, right? Compared to our IT jobs or anything. You can do it across the globe. Even though you are in India, you can do it. You are in UK, you can do it. Comcast went all the way above, but still, right? If we so here you see there is a huge buy order block, right? Lot of big companies are buying the stock. If we'd have got this, it would have already made 100% with the option calls. But yeah, we missed this one. As of now, there are no sellers. If it comes little bit to the midpoint and starts going up, we can enter one more time. Here we got a reversal buy. Yes, in the pre-market it came all the way down. And then generally if Europe it comes down, in US it will try to go up. Now it is going close to the premium zone, right? It came all the way to the discount, started moving up, moving up. So now we are waiting for a, so for example, here you see there is a lot of sell orders. Here there are a lot of sell orders. If price goes there, then that's a perfect opportunity. We can make a lot of money with SPX puts. We can make a lot of money with QQQ. We can make with SPY. We can make with TQQ. We can make with ES. We can make with NQ. Just by watching one chart, you can take nearly 7, 8 different trades and we can make money. But yeah, we have to wait for that, right? Because this is where there are a lot of sales. So when price goes there, suddenly it will drop. So we have to wait with patience until it goes and wait. Maybe it may go hit this and then start dropping, or it may go hit this and start dropping. So again, if you see, we came all the way to the bottom of the band. Then we got a reversal buy. Then it started moving up, went all the way up. Again, it may go all the way up above this band. And again, if you get a reversal sell, then we can do the short. So we can still take a long position, but because we are close to premium, better we wait for the short position. This would have been nice time to buy a, right? We got a strong buy here, right? This is our magic pattern. Sellers took the control, they brought it all the way down. Then buyers took the control. Now they are taking it all the way up. So whenever you see this pattern with a nice gap, that is the best time to go long, or this is the best time to go short. You can do ES short, NQ short. You can make a lot of money with the prop firms, or you can take in your personal accounts. At the same time, you can do SPX puts, SPX bear calls. You can do SPY puts, SPY bear calls, QQQ puts, QQQ bear calls, TQQ puts, TQQ bear calls. Or if it is dropping, you can buy SQQ calls, right? Because TQQ, SQQ are opposite. TQQ, QQQ drops, SQQ will go up. So you can buy SQQ stock, you can do SQQ calls. So now we are waiting for it to go a little bit up and start dropping because it already made such a big move. We don't want to enter somewhere here in the middle, right? Always buy at the bottom or sell close to the top. If we do somewhere here, suddenly it may start reversing, right? Your risk is high. So always wait for the right time to enter your trades. Now if I go to SPX, we can see where we have. So here you have 6071. There are a lot of sellers. So if price goes there, then there can be a big drop. So once price goes there, we can do a bear call at 60, 70, 60, 70, 60, 75. Then we can make a lot of profits. Now we can do some, We can do bull puts below this level. Let's do 60-35, 60-45. Or I'm doing 60-35, 60-25 for much lower risk. So I'm selling 60-35 put and I'm buying 60-25 put, collecting around $110. So SPX sell 60-35 put and buy 60-25 put and collect 115 for today. It means as long as the price stays below this 60-35, all that money is yours because there are a lot of buyers here. So even if price comes here, again these buyers will push the price up. So we are doing bull put above the there is this is like our strong support. Above the strong support, we are doing a bull put spread. So even if price comes here, again if it moves up, we can make nice profit. Or if it just directly goes up, whenever it goes here, we can take the profit. Oh no, wait. Came to the midpoint and trying to bounce up. Right here, buyers took the control. Here, buyers took the control. Here we can see T5. So we got a proper con, right? This is like our magic pattern. The buyers took the control. There is a nice gap between these two. Then here you can see blue candles. We got a strong buy signal. That means all this time sellers were having the control. Now buyers are taking the control. We got a buy signal. And then it came all the way. There was a gap down. Then slowly buyers are trying to take it up and slowly they broke the midpoint. If they broke the midpoint, there is a high possibility for it to go up. So now we got the bull put spread for SPX. That means we are bullish. Instead of buying calls, we are selling the higher strike put and buying a lower strike put. So as long as price stays above 60-35, all that money, whatever $120 for every contract, that is 100% yours. Or whenever it goes all the way to the top, right? Whenever it goes all the way here, then we can take profits. We can close it. KO is dropping big, which we wanted, right? Because we want the bear call spreads, right? You can see there are a lot of sellers here, lot of sellers here. So it started dropping. Even if it stays below 66 by this Friday, 100% of that premium is yours. Or even if it goes little bit down, we can make 30-40% profit within 30 minutes like that. If it breaks this, then we can also get ES. So you can see the power of confidence, right? This is the best pattern. This is good pattern. Here we can see T5, price pulse is blue. Here your trend is completely bullish. Momentum is completely bullish. There is nice trend strength in 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 minute. So now I can also go to ES. If there is a pullback, I can go long and take a long on ES. There's a high possibility for it to go all the way till this 6088. So I went ahead and took long on ES because both ES SPX they move in the same direction. Right? If SPX is bullish, then ES will be bullish. Your SPY will be bullish, your QQQ will be bullish, your NQ will be bullish. But we cannot manage so many trades at same time. So we just took SPX and we took ES. If any of you cannot take SPX, you can do SPY calls or SPY bull puts. You can also do QQQ calls or QQQ bull puts. So now I am copying this trade on 10-15 accounts. That means even if I make 60, $75, that's 75 into 10 tradify or 10 take profit trader. That is like a $750 profit within few minutes. That is the advantage of prop firms where you can multiply your profits, multiply your time. Right? On your personal account, you have to look for bigger profits. But when you have prop firms, you can copy your trade into different prop firms or different accounts of a prop firm and you can make huge profits within small time. So I took my right. I made $100 within few minutes, but that $100 I'm making on 10, 12 accounts. So so even that's a $80 or $100, because I multi copied them into 10, 15 accounts, that is $1,000 profit within 5 minutes. And most of them are Tradify, Take Profit Trader, which are like real money. So for the SPX, I can wait for more time, right? SPX is making huge profits. KO is making huge profits. Baba is making huge profits. So I'm posting in US equities also. So you know how, right? How powerful it is once you understand. Right? Again, it is very simple. You see, these are like our magnets. So price will try to go there. Again, I'm trying to enter long on ES one more time. Right? I took profits and again I'm taking one more time. So I have my SPX bull puts, my ES long. SPX is also making huge. So now I'll take profits. And because it is going close to the sell orders. So when price goes there, you can also take profits on your SPX. Right, you can take gains on SPX and take gains on ES long. SPX mode all the way here. I took profits on SPX because there is a major sell order block close by. At any point of time, sellers can take the control which you can see, right? Just with ES within few minutes, take profit trader in my, right? You can also connect to your IBKR personal accounts. So same trade can go to so many different connections. You can have IBKR, you can have LI Trader Fund, you can have Take Profit Trader, you can have Tradify, you can have Trade Fundar, you can have so many connections. So all you are doing is just clicking on buy and sell in the trading view. But you can make profit in so many different ways. At the same time, we are making with ES, we are making with SPX, we are making with SPY, we are making with QQQ. All you did is just click on one buy button here because you saw this is bullish. We got a strong buy. We see that there are a lot of sellers here and here. So price can generally that will right that is the liquidity. That is like the foot for the price. So price will try to go grab that liquidity and again drop. So once it breaks this previous day high, again we can make money with the bear call spreads. Now within few minutes that made more than $35,000. So at same time you can make with your prop firms, you can make with your personal accounts, you can make with the futures, you can make with stocks. Right? Baba went all the way to 115.6. There are more and more buyers for Baba. Your trend is completely bullish. Momentum is good. Trend strength. So there is a high possibility it will come here, and again these buyers will push the price up. So we can hold until 117, 118. We can confidently hold it. And we can make 30, 40% with the Baba bull puts. Now we are waiting for sellers to take the control. Right? As of now, still buyers are in control. So whenever this goes and touch this, there are a lot of sellers waiting there. So we try to take profits little bit before itself. Otherwise, suddenly it may touch. There can be huge red candle, right? If you wait until last minute, there can be a big red candle and all your profits will be gone. So don't wait until last minute. When it is coming close, it is better, right? You may miss 5% profits, but otherwise, if you wait until last minute, it will touch. And then if you see a big red candle, you will lose all your 15, 20% profits. This is our magic pattern. If you follow this magic pattern every day, for $500 is easy. That is with one prop account. If you do with 10 prop account, that is a $5,000. Now we have to patiently wait for the bear calls. Right? In next few minutes, the sellers will take the control. Once we see a red dot here, once we see a red candle here, and once we see that it touches this sell order block, then you do bear call spread. This is like a strong resistance. If we take a bear call spread like 60, 80, 60, 85 or something, then again, as long as it stays below 60, 80, you can make a lot of profits. Yeah, we can go ahead and do bear call spread now for SPX. We'll sell 60.80 and buy 60.85 and collect $100. We are selling 60.80 call and buying 60.85 call. That means as long as price stays below 60.80, we'll make nice profits. And because there are a lot of sellers here. We can see there are million, 30 million plus orders waiting here. So if price goes there, the sellers will push it down. So we went above this and we are telling that person, whoever is buying it, we are telling even if it goes so much high also, we will sell at 60.80 like that. We are selling 60.80, buying 60.85. So if it starts dropping, then we'll make nice profits on this side. So now you can see ES also dropping, right? You see that it went all the way to the top of the band. ES went right from the bottom, it went to the top of the band, and then it started dropping. Because it is at the top of the band, definitely there can be a reversal. It can come minimum till the midpoint. So you would have a, so generally if yes, then mostly your Microsoft, Amazon, Google also might be in the top of the band. Nvidia also will drop. Now we got a sellers here. Sellers are taking control. Sellers are taking control. So I can do a bear call spread on Nvidia. We can do 135, 136. Sell 135 call, buy 136 call. Or we can do sell 135, buy 137.
Order partially, sir. Order filled. Order partially filled.
So you can sell NVIDIA 135 call and buy 137 call and collect $85 for 214. As long as NVIDIA stays, you have nearly 2.5 million order block here. So the chances for NVIDIA to stay above 135 is very, very less. So what we are doing, we are telling we are selling 135 call, buying 137 call. So even if stock comes here, it will again drop. So now you can already see that the magic pattern is forming. So then sellers are taking control at the top. That is a good opportunity. We can see all the red candles. That means the trend is becoming bearish. Then price is dropping. And now within few minutes again we will make huge profits with Nvidia bear calls. If you want, we can also buy the puts, but by doing bear calls, even if it stays completely choppy, right? Or even if it goes till 135, if it goes down, you will definitely make full profits. If it stays choppy, you'll make profits. If it goes little bit up also, you'll make profits. If you buy the puts immediately, if it drops, then only you'll make profit. If it stays choppy, you'll lose. If it goes up, you will lose. But with bear calls, in all different ways, you will make profits. So started dropping. You can also take profits on Baba and KO, or take profits on KO. You can hold Baba.
Oh, wonderful.
You can take some KO. Sometimes it may do a double top. It may go one more time, touch that, and again drop. So whenever it goes and does a double top and then starts dropping, then we can also take shots on ES and Q like that. As of now, just we got SPX bear calls. Right, this one gave an indication that sellers took the control. This one also, it is all nearly at the top. So if this also forms a red dot, then that will be 100%. So we can see that there is a reversal cell. Your reversal indicator gave an indication. Your price pulse gave an indication. Your T55 gave an indication. T5 also gives it. Then we can also enter SPY QQQ bear calls. We can also enter a short on ES. So this is a very, very low risk strategy which we are doing. So when SPX is looking bearish, when we see there is a huge sell order block here, and we see we are going somewhere here and we are doing a bear call. It again because we got a sell here, sell here, sell here. So I took two, three contracts, took profits on two, and then just holding one. Our SPX is making huge profits. SPX bear call. Yes, yes, short is also making nice profits. So your SPY, your SPX, QQQ, yes, yes, the bear calls, NQ short, ES short, everything making gains. So here buyers took the control close to the bottom. So we took profits with the bull put spreads. We made nice profits on the long. Now we are making on the short side. There is a nice gap. Nvidia is also dropping big. SMCI is also dropping. Take 80% profits on SPX.
Partially felt. On a felt. On a partially.
More buyers are trying to take it up, sellers are picking it down. So that's why we trimmed some 80% profits. We are holding 20%. If we see again sellers here, then we can enter one more time bear calls. So buyers are trying to take it up one more time.
Partially so.
You can enter the bear calls one more time, the same bear call, and collect $85. So if you took profits, you enter one more time. Otherwise, you can just hold your. So Nvidia also dropping. SPY, QQQ, yes, everything dropping. Everything should make huge profits. SPY, QQQ, Nvidia, SPX, SMCI, everything is in profits.
What, what is it? What is it living on the film? What is order cancel? What is So,
SPX making huge. Yes, SPX by QQQ. Bear calls on SPX. Bear calls on ES. So just by watching one chart, we are able to make profits in different ways. The prop firms are making huge profits. Yet again, if you understand the power, you can change your life in 2025. If you don't understand, then yeah, I cannot do anything. After doing this many free sessions, sharing so many free alerts, if someone cannot see the value, then again, we cannot make 100% success, but 85-90% success is more than enough for you to make huge money. I'm explaining all options, how you can multiply, how you can take the trades, how you can look for the confluence, how you can make money without risking your own money. We started a fund 1 week back using the indicators. We made around 20% growth in 1 week just with SPX and earnings. It's all about if you know colors, right? Everything is red here, it is red here, it is red here. Huge drop on Nvidia. Again, as I said, so if somebody is a risk trader, they can also buy the puts. But if it stays choppy, you will lose. If it goes down, you will make a lot more profits with a put. Yeah, take profits on Nvidia. Take gains on Nvidia and SPX. Nvidia SPY QQQ. and SPX. SMCA is also making huge profits. We got SMCA bear calls. If someone taken even 10 contracts that covered nearly next to 2 3 years of fee, someone taken 10 contracts with bear calls, SPX bear calls, NVIDIA bear calls.
Oh, order cancel.
So we made huge with crop firms also. Again, if we make
Order cancel.
too much, that can be a problem for consistency. So I took profits on this. Yeah, take profits on SMCA. Again, when it comes here, again we can make one more time with the bull put. But yeah, we'll end the live session here. If I see any good setups, again I'll post in the options crypto channel. Right. Hope everyone can see the value. And if anyone has any quick questions, let me know before I end the session. So again, if anybody want to subscribe to the indicators which are making huge profits every day, Ninja underscore apex underscore bot. If anyone want to get the options channel, options underscore prem underscore bot in Telegram. Anyone stocks channel. Yes, bear calls. You can do 23 hours a day. You can make profits with SPY. You can do with ES. You can do everything. So I already shared a video on bull put spread, bear call spread. Once you subscribe, you will get the free video links, everything. Thinkorswim, IBKR, they are the best trading platforms. You can do credit spreads, debit spreads. You can hold the trades until 315 if it is QQQ SPY. Like understanding bull put bear call is just 30 minutes, but you can make 90% of the time you can make profits. Yeah, Ramesh, there are yeah, order blocks will be different, just like your support and resistance are different in each time frame. If you are looking at 1 hour, it will combine all 5 minutes and show it as a one big order block. If you are using 4 hours, then it will combine all 1 hour, 1 hour, all order blocks within those time frames and show a big one. There is no combo with trading indicators. Huge drop with NVIDIA. And come all the way here and then bounce back. Huge drop with QQQ. Huge drop with 5. SMCI. You can use in 1 minute, 5 minutes, it is up to you. If you are a quick scalper, you use 1 minute. You are more of a day trader, use 5 minutes. If you are a swing trader, you can use 30 minutes, 1 hour. Yeah, training sessions will go on. Every day we do trainings. Yeah, you can go to the price pulse and you can adjust the size. Here, table position, you can change wherever you want. Table size, you can change whatever you want. Prasad, you have to delete and add the T55 back. And then you will see the blocks. We have training session today evening, Ramesh. Also not showing expiry date for ES. You can take a daily expiry. Maybe you don't have the. You might have only clicked on the monthly expiries. If you select the daily or weekly, then you will see that there will be just a setting which I'll help you during the evening session. Yeah, we have a setup session at 6 p.m. That is where we help all the new members. Yeah, 6 p.m. Central. Yeah. Yeah, for quick scalping, 1 minute. 1 minute is best with, especially with NQ. You can use 1 minute with ES. 2 minutes or 3 minutes is good. Yeah. Okay, Bruno, you're making 85, 90%. If you want to, right, become very successful in 2025, you have an opportunity. Otherwise, yeah, you can keep watching all the success stories from all the members. Okay, everyone. Have a nice rest of the day and talk to you later. It will not show any tickers now. If you have indicators, you can watch it. Yeah, because if I show one ticker, then there will be another 20 requests for different tickers. Okay, when if I see any good setups, I'll be posting more opportunity. There will be a lot more opportunities today. Yeah, you have to delete and add the right. You have to just go here and then click on create new layout, and then you add the T55 T5 price pulse. Then you will see all the new changes. If you are still on the same existing tab, sometimes it may still pick the old ones. Baba, we already took profits. We are holding BP. Baba, we took profits. KO, we took profits. We took profits, and yeah, only thing we are holding is BP from yesterday. We made really gains with everything else. BP also will move into profits by tomorrow or day after. Yeah, you already sent out the T55 update. Don't do any naked calls as of now. Still, it is looking bearish. Yes, everything. So you have to wait for confirmation to do any naked calls. Okay, well, thank you and talk to you in the evening.